So, until yesterday, ನಾವು only number series ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. All our questions, whatever we practiced, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ only related to numbers. Am I correct? Only numbers use ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Whatever pattern it was, whatever relation, series, everything, only numbers we used, right? But today, I will explain what is alphabet series. Okay, so ivattu we will be starting with alphabet series. So ellarigu English alphabets gottu, right? A to Z English alphabets. A to Z. S to, what is the total number of alphabets in English?
26.
26. Yes, 26. So using these 26 alphabets in the question alli nimge ಒಂದು series ಇರುತ್ತೆ, series of alphabets, and you from options ನೀವು choose ಮಾಡಬೇಕು which is the correct answer in the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks type ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I'll explain. You don't have to get confused. I'll explain what is the question pattern. Okay. For just one example, I'll give you. A, B, dash, D, A, dash, C, D. ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈ ತರ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ you will have a blank. ಈ ತರ blank ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You should choose. Now suppose my first option is B, D. Option B is C, B. Option B is C. Option C is A.
CB. B. CB.
Okay, correct. Very good. This is the option.
B.
Yeah, correct. ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A, B, C, D. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A, B, C, D. ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ B, C, ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್? A, B, C. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ D. Correct. So questions ee tara irutte. Okay, you will have alphabets like this. In between blanks irutte. You should choose the correct option from the okay, from the given options. So illi order alli blank alli fill agutte. Okay, so a question pattern inge irutte. This is how the question pattern is. Will take up some examples solve ಮಾಡಿ so that you'll understand. Okay, so ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? question pattern ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Did you all understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So some questions I'll solve now so you can understand it better. First question. P dash R U R dash B S dash Q
R Q P S R
dash. I know the question very long ide, too many blanks and way too many alphabets, but still slowly now if we look at the pattern it is very easy. Okay, ee tara questions idre pattern irutte, same pattern again and again repeat agutte. So you should take your time and understand what is the pattern. Once you get the pattern, a pattern enu anta artha agidre, then it's easy to get the answer. Okay, so this is the given question. Okay, so now first we will look for some repeating terms. Ivaga nodi, suppose SR repeat SR is repeating. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯೂ ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 2 ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
QP.
ಓಕೆ, 1 minute. Yes, just give me 1 minute, please. One minute. So ಇದು 4 group of letters ಮಾಡಿ, for example. Okay, SR, 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 QP. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ what ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Before S, what comes before S in this blank? Before S ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? First ಈ blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು, which alphabet ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು please tell me that.
P.
P. Okay, before that ಈ blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Q. Correct. ಹಾ, ನಾವು okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು S before SR it is QP, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ the series is PSRQ, PSRQ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ which alphabet will we get?
S.
Correct, S. So ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು. This is also over. As I said, PSRQ is the pattern ಅಲ್ವಾ? PSR. So ಈ blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Q.
Correct. Now, so ಈ blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ next PS dash Q. So ಈ blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
R.
Correct. So ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು. Next again PSR. Finally ಈ blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Q.
Correct. So option, what will be the answer option? ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? S, Q, P, Q, R, Q. This will be your option. Option ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು S, Q, P, Q, R, Q, S, Q, P, Q, R, Q. This will be your correct option. Did you all understand ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So given yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So given question ಅಲ್ಲಿ first ನೀವು you should try to find out what is the pattern ಏನು ಅದು first find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and then one by one try to fill the blanks. Finally you will understand final pattern ಏನು ಅಂತ you will understand that. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, finally what is repeating? PSRQ is repeating again and again. PSRQ, same thing is repeating. Okay, so ನೀವು 1 or 2 blanks if you start filling, then ನಿಮಗೆ final pattern ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅದು you can understand that. Okay, so if you all ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we'll do the next question now. A dash B A dash D T C dash F dash E. This is the question. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ again, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, all let A, B, C, D, E, F ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. So it is a different kind of pattern. Now order ಅಲ್ಲಿ let's write first A, B, C, D, E, F. Order ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so pattern ನೋಡಿ, now here see there is a D and then ಆಮೇಲೆ C ಇದೆ. So let us divide it into 4 groups. Okay, because illi A, B ide, so we'll divide this into 4. C, D, so idu 4 alli we'll divide. E, F, so again this also we'll divide it into 4. Now see, A dash B A dash D D C dash F dash E. So idu hengide nodi, A ಇದೆ, then you can get a double B and then again A. A, B, B, A. So A and B, we are done. Okay, next move on. Next two alphabets is C, D. D, D is a, here there is C. So before D again what will we get? C. C. So that is also done. Next two alphabets E, F. Illi F ಇದೆ. After F, E blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? First tell me what is the alphabet in this blank?
F.
F, correct. E blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Now F is done. Before F, E. Correct. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did you understand the pattern?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First two letters A, B, B, A. First two letters ಆಯ್ತು. Move on to the next two letters. C, D, D, C. These two are also done. Now next two letters E, F, F, E. So answer how will the answer pattern be? B, C, E and F. B, C, E, F. Idu final answer. Did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
B, C, E, F. Okay, pattern is simple. A, B, B, A. Second letter 2 times repeat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ in between A, B, B and again A. Then move on to the next two letters and again next two letters. Pattern, that is the pattern used here. Okay, so did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do the next
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Dash T, K, 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 T, K, dash K, K, dash T, K, T, K, finally dash. This is the question. Okay, either question. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ only two alphabets are used, only T and K. So first ಈ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ let us try to understand pattern ಏನು ಅಂತ. We'll first try to understand that. Okay, so okay, see ಇಲ್ಲಿ T and then 3 K's, T, K, K, K. ಇಲ್ಲಿ same thing ಇದೆ, T, K, K, K. So one pattern ನಮಗೆ ಬಂತು. We understood one pattern. Now okay, so illi T and 3 K's, illi again T and 3 K's. So e pattern, before this pattern what letter, in letter ಇದೆ before this T?
K.
K. So first blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is my answer? First blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ which letter should I give?
K. K.
Yes. How did we get K? E pattern in the T and 3 K's. So before that ಏನಿದೆ? K. So same thing I'll write here. Okay. So we got that. Now okay. So now see T, K, K, K. After this, before this pattern, we ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು K. We should write letter K. After this pattern, what is the next alphabet?
T.
T. ನೋಡಿ T, K, K, K and T. So ಈ last blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ which alphabet should I write?
T.
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 Yes.
T.
Yeah, correct. So did you understand this much, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now see K, T, K, 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 T. This is the pattern. K, T, K, 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 T. So e blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Pattern we got K, T, K, 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 T. This is the pattern. So now e blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
T. K. T. K.
No. See, K ಬರಲ್ಲ, it is T. Pattern ನೋಡಿ, K, T, K, 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 T. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ K ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. So K, T. K, T, K, K, e blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
K. K.
ಕೆ ಕೆ ಟಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕೆ ಟಿ ಕೆ ಟಿ. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್?
Yes, ma'am.
So final answer, yes, okay, so final answer,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is it? It is K T K and T. This is the answer, K T. That's it. Did you get it everyone? Artha aita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do the next question. M dash N P this is the series. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ how many alphabets are used? M, N and P. Only 3 alphabets use ಆಗಿದೆ. Only 3. M, N, P. No other alphabet is used here. Okay, so ನಮ್ಮ answer in the even in the blanks only ಈ 3 alphabets use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so now same thing. Let us start with the first pattern. Let's find for a pattern. Okay, first ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ double P ಇದೆ. There is a double P, and even here there is a double P. Correct? So
Yes, ma'am.
So ಇಲ್ಲಿ before double P, which alphabet is there before double P? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ P, there is a P and a P. So before this, ಇದು ಮುಂದೆ which alphabet is there?
N.
N. So ಈ blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
N.
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 Correct. N. So ಈ blank ಆಯ್ತು N. Next, before P, double P ನಮ್ಗೆ N ಗೊತ್ತು. Now after double P, which alphabet is there? After double P, ಇಲ್ಲಿ after this series, ಇಲ್ಲಿ which alphabet is there here?
M.
M. So ಈ blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Before double P N ಇದೆ,
M.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು. So after double P, what will we get?
M. M.
M.
M.
Correct. M. So ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ನೋಡಿ double P, double M, double N ಇದೆ. So what is the pattern now? N, N, P, P, M, M. Okay, so now tell me, E blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
N. Ma'am, N.
Correct. N ಬರುತ್ತೆ. N, that's correct. Now, okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ what will we get here?
P. P.
Correct. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Ma'am, M.
M, not, are you sure it's M?
Ma'am, N.
N, double N ಇರಬೇಕು, correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ only one N ಇದೆ. It's okay. ಇದು starting M ಇದೆ, it's fine. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ double N ಇರಬೇಕು. So it is N. N.
N.
So double N, double P, double M, double N, double P, double M, double N, double P, double M, and then again N. So answer formatting, what is the final answer format? It is N, P, N.
Mano. N, P.
Yes. N, P, N, N, M. This is the final answer. Did you all understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next question. Okay, this is the question. Someone's mic is mute. Please unmute, Madi. Okay, so this is the question. So, equationally, how many alphabets are used?
3 alphabet.
3 alphabets. They are S, R, and T. So, even blanks only, we should use the same alphabets. Okay. So, yeah, let us check the pattern first. Check madbeku. So, we will do that. So, okay, illi SR in the start madana. Okay, because see, there are 3 times SR bantu. SR, SR, and SR. Okay, so illinda let us start. So after SR ಏನide? See, after SR, which alphabet comes after SR?
ST.
See, illi SR, SR. So next alphabet ಏನide illi?
Yes.
S. So ಈ blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Yes. Yes.
S. Correct. So till here it is correct. Okay, now SR, STR. SR, STR, SR, S. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ನಮಗೆ SR, ST. ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ SR, S ಆಮೇಲೆ TR ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ SR, ST ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
R.
R. Yes.
R.
Correct. Okay. So SR, STR till there we have. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ SR, S blank R. ಸೊ ಈ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
T.
T. Correct. T. Okay. Now, ಇಲ್ಲಿ pattern ಏನಿದೆ? Let's look for the pattern here. STR ಬಂತು. Okay. So STR, STR, STR. So next ಇಲ್ಲಿ pattern RS. Okay, yes, it's RSR, STR. That's STR, STR, STR. It is group of 3. 3 group alli pattern bantu. So it is STR. Then again it comes as RSR, 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 and RSR. Okay, so group of 3 madidre we will get the pattern here. R, SR, STR, again RSR, STR, RSR, STR. So final answer is R, S, R, T, R, R.
R.
Is this correct? R, S, R, T, R, R. Artha aita, did you all understand the final answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.